Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be seeing the use cases for AWS backup and restore. And what are the benefits of backing up on the AWS cloud? You get a data durability, flexibility and scalability, cost efficiencies, backup for all data types, security and compliance data transfer methods. Common backup use cases are hybrid cloud backup, tape replacement, database backup, data lifecycle management, global data resiliency, archive and compliance. And beyond backup, you can use it for archive and disaster recovery. And for archive, you can use S3 Glacier and S3 Glacier Deep Drive, which provides 99.990% durability, and it costs like 0.05 per GB per month and 0.09 per GB per month for S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Disaster recovery is like another benefit of having backup data in AWS is the access you have to cloud native tools that you can evolve your backup solution into one for disaster recovery. Use AWS services to rebuild on-premise environment and create resiliency against natural disaster and failures. You can use AWS backup services for centralized backup. AWS backup is a fully managed backup service that makes it easy to centralize and automate the backup of data across AWS services in the cloud as well as on premise using the AWS storage gateway. Using AWS Backup, you can centrally configure backup policies and monitors backup activity for AWS resources such as Amazon EBS Volume, Amazon RDS databases, Amazon DynamoDB tables, Amazon EFS file systems, and AWS Storage Gateway Volumes. AWS Backup automates and consolidates backup tasks previously performed service by service, removing the need to create custom scripts and manual processes. AWS Backup provides a fully managed policy based backup solution, simplifying your backup management and enabling you to meet your business and regulatory backup compliance requirement. Backup and restore services with AWS Object S3. S3 is Amazon Simple Storage Service, and which we know it. And AWS Storage Gateway is used for the hybrid storage, which is like a hybrid storage that service that enable on-premise application to seamlessly connect to the AWS storage services. Okay. Block storage, Amazon Elastic Block Storage provides persistent block storage volume for use with Amazon EC2 instances. Each volume is automatically replicated to protect from component failure. With Amazon EBS, customer can scale users up or down within minutes and only pay for what is provisioned. The service also supports a snapshot feature that lets customer preserve and backup Amazon EBS volume. Amazon Elastic File System. Amazon Elastic File System provides scalable file storage when mounted on Amazon EC2 instance, and Amazon EFS File System provides a standard file system interface and enables integration of Amazon EFS with existing application. Multiple Amazon EC2 instances can access an Amazon EFS file system. So what are the data transfer services? You have a AWS Snowball, AWS Snowball Edge, you have a Snowball, AWS Snow Mobile, AWS Kinesis Firehouse. So Snowball is a petabit scale data transfer service designed to cost effectively move data to AWS with secure tamper-proof physical device. Edge is like 100 terabyte scale device transfer service. The service is designed to costly move data to cloud with secure physical device. Snow Mobile is a hexabit scale data transfer, and Kinesis File is a fully managed capture, transfer, encryption, loads, streaming data into AWS for use with Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift, Amazon Elasticsearch Service, and Splunk. It is designed to enable near real-time analytics with existing business intelligence tools and dashboards you are already using today. The service automatically scales to match the throughput of your data, requires no ongoing administration, and compresses data to minimize storage requirement. Okay. You can use AWS Migration Hub and AWS Database Migration Service. AWS Migration Hub provides the single location to track the progress of application migration across multiple AWS and partner solutions. The AWS Migration Hub allows you to use the tool that best fit your needs while providing visibility into the status of migration across your portfolios of applications. There is no additional cost. AWS Database Migration Service helps you to transfer databases to the AWS quickly and securely. Okay. And for networking, if you can use Amazon CloudFront, you can use Amazon AWS Direct Connect, Elastic Load Balancing, Route 53. So CloudFront is a global content delivery network that securely delivers data, video, application, and APIs to your user with low latency and high transfer speed. Direct Connect establishes a private connection between AWS and your data center. Load balances automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets. Route 53 is providing a domain name system. Okay. You have a AWS global infrastructure, AWS security and compliance, AWS total cost of ownership. The AWS cloud infrastructure is built around regions and availability zones. In AWS, region is a physical location where there are multiple availability zones. Each consist of one or more discrete data center. Security and compliance protect data in AWS, number one priority in our other design. Total cost of ownership helps you to reduce TCO by reducing the need to invest in large capital expenditure and provide you pay as you go model. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud lets you provision an isolated section of AWS cloud where you can launch AWS resources in a virtual private network that you define. You can complete hybrid cloud backup. Okay, this is a case one. So you have a customer data center, you have a backup media server, you have a partner backup server, backup clients, local backup target, AWS storage gateway, backup target and virtual tape library. And then network options, you have a AWS direct connect, VPN and internet. You have S3 API. From there you go to the Amazon S3, Amazon, and okay, so you can see on the premise. Okay, tape replacement, customer data center, media backup. ISCI is the protocol. Tape drive and the media charger. You have a AWS storage gateway. On premise on left, on the right you have AWS cloud, and you can use it to store then S3 or even Amazon Glacier. Database backup. So Amazon relational database automatically creates and retains backup of your databases, which are securely stored as an object in Amazon S3 for a user specific retention period. You can also use snapshot to create a backup on demand. DynamoDB customers can create backup for DynamoDB tables for short and long term needs. While a backup is created, there is a zero impact on table performance and availability. All backups are cataloged, describable, and retained until explicitly deleted. EBS snapshots. AWS customer who want to protect any databases running on Amazon EC2 can use EBS snapshot to create point-in-time backups, which are then stored in Amazon S3 as an object. Each EBS snapshot contains all the information needed to restore your data. Okay. So what is the use data lifecycle management? So it goes from left to right. So apply S3 storage class analysis. S3 storage class can be configured to monitor objects by S3 bucket, prefix, or object tag. Then you identify dataset to transfer. Use reports from S3 storage class and identify datasets for transition to other storage class or application. Configure an S3 lifecycle policy. An S3 lifecycle policy is a set of rules that define actions for a dataset by S3 bucket, prefix, and or object tag. Specify the policy type. There are two policy types: transitions that move objects to other storage classes and expiration that deletes objects. Then you realize storage efficiency. After configured, S3 lifecycle policy automates tiering and expiration of datasets for cost saving and resource optimization. Global data resiliency. AWS globally structure. Okay, so this is simply because you have a different availability zones and region, and based on this you can host your applications with the combination of this. So one of the regions or availability zone fails, you do not, your data or the business availability do not stop. Okay, use case 6, archive and compliance. Check MDF checks required input. Use S3. Okay, then ingest, then lock, retain, and audit. Okay, you can get started with this particular URL, which is says https awsamazon.com backup restore getting started. And then customer case studies is a King County. What was the problem? The problem was the county needed a more efficient and cost-effective solution to replace a tape-based backup system used to store information generated by 17 different county agencies. Solution, it turned to AWS for long-term archiving and storage using Amazon Glacier and NetApp Alta Vault solution, which helps the county meet federal security standards, including HIPAA and criminal justice information regulation. What the benefit is? The county is able to save $1 million first year by not having to replace outdated servers, and projects an annual saving of about 200K by reducing. Okay. Second is the Thomas Router. Thomas Router decided to build a solution that would enable it to capture, analyze, and visualize analytics data generated by its offering, providing insight to help product teams continuously improve the user experience. Add info. Okay. Additional info. Okay. So basically, they wanted to go for some marketing one, and they use the initial event is ingestion layer is composed of elastic load balancing and customized Nginx web server auto scaling group and SLTS termination. The ingestion layer arguments events with metadata and encrypt them using AWS key management service. The ingestion layer hands off secure data to streaming data pipeline composed of Amazon Kinesis Stream, Amazon Firehouse, Lambda. Okay, and then what is the benefit? 2 months early, increased processing of 10,000 events per second, monitor performance to detect abnormality. Case 3, Unilever. The solution was used by Amazon S3, Amazon EBS, then Amazon machine, and they were able to replicate to the image from AMI machine to the 400 Amazon Elastic Compute instances. Auto scaling grid availability zones, DNS route 53. The benefit was improved business agility, responsiveness to AWS cloud, improved time to launch digital market, rapid rate of innovation. Hish. Okay. So what services it used? It used Amazon EBS backed EC2 cloud computing, and then 50 500 TB of data, Amazon S3 for nightly backup, Microsoft SQL servers and all, and CloudWatch to monitor, and able to migrate thus in within 6 months, use a multi-factor authentication for device authentication. So this is the network here. If you see here, you have an inter Amazon route 53, you have an internet Amazon 3 backup, internet gateway. In the VPC, you have a public subnet, NetScaler VPX, Amazon EC2 instances, and SSO FTP WW, and then Amazon EC2 instances here, which is the NAT instance. In the second, if you go to private subnet, it is for billing solution, bit to bill, business intelligence, business different functionalities, and then you have a dev and UAT, and then virtual private gateway for VPN corporate gateway, and so you can even connect through this virtually to this network. Okay, so friends, we look what are the the backup solutions that yeah, so we look for AWS backup and restore here in this video, and see you in the next video.